If you are brand new to trading and really do not have a plan on how to get started, this video is for you. In this video, I am going to lay out a path to profits. Let's go deeper. Hey guys, how's it going? JD here. So in this video, I just wanted to help, new people, new beginners who are coming into the market. Times are changing. People need to make money from home. People need to make money other kind of ways. And a lot of people are going to be turning to the markets. And it's a great way to get your side hustle on. It's a great way to get about going. But I said to get about going. Y'all know, if you're new to this channel, my name is JD. I'm a price action teacher, and sometimes I say things wrong, okay? But many times you'll know what I meant, all right? But I have a tendency to kind of misspeak sometimes. Sorry, you'll get used to it because overall, I'll drop hot fire gems, all right? But just had to put that out there. But anyway, so a man without a plan is a man who plans to fail, right? So this video, I just want to give you an overview of what you need to do to get started trading the markets. Just kind of a general overview. I can't teach you how to trade in one video, all right? But if you subscribe right now to this channel, I have over 450 videos teaching how to trade. Not just teaching theory, but showing live trades, showing chart lessons where I show you exactly how to take high probability price action trades. All right, so let's get going. Path to profits, right? What's the first thing? Well, we have to pick a market, right? And you have some options, okay? You can go into the stock market, you can go into the Forex, you can go into binary options possibly, or futures. All right, in this video, I'm kind of going to highlight the futures market because I think it is a good market for beginners to start in if you have a couple of tools that I'm gonna give to you also in this video. But so let's just say a good path, or see, there's several paths that you can take. I mean, just right there. I mean, going in picking the market, that starts off which way you're gonna head, right? So there's many ways to go about this, but for this video, I'm saying, let's say that we're going to go into the futures market, okay? And the futures market is really kind of three markets inside. You got where the big boys play at. That's just the S&P 500. Then you have the E-mini. What makes it an E-mini is it's a fraction of the S&P 500. So in futures, you're buying contracts, okay? So to purchase one E-mini contract, you have to have $500 in margin in your trading account, all right? So, and what that means is when you start to trade, if the S&P goes up 1 point, you make $50. Well, that may still be a little too heavy for the average beginner, right? Because again, you're a beginner. You don't want to jump in here. Hey, do not take your 401k and just dump it in the market, think you're going to start winning tomorrow. Don't do that, all right? All right. So this path that I'm going to lay out here, we're going to take the safe route, okay? I'm going to give you a safe path where you can start with a small, less than your car note type of investment, okay? And then still be able to learn how to trade. So that's the E-mini. You may not want to start there because it's $500. I feel like you need at least 5,000 and up to safely be in that market, okay? But futures offers another contract that lowers the barrier for most beginning traders and retail traders, and that is the micro ES. Okay, so the micro S&P 500, you only have to have $50 of margin in your trading account. Well, with the broker I'm with, you only need $50 of margin, and every point is worth $5. I know that didn't just tickle your fancy. I understand, but just hang in here. I'm gonna show you how $5 adds up. Okay, so what this means is you can actually start trading. You could put $100 in. You could put $50 in, but you could put $100 in, 200, 300. Hey, and you're in the game, right? You could easily trade one contract with $150. You actually could trade three, but so you don't get no margin. Stop it yourself. Just hey, so $300, $1,000, you're in the game. Okay, that's very small entry. That's very small entry. This is why I'm saying futures, okay? Not only is that it's regulated, right? In the US it's regulated. You got inside of Chicago, the CME, I think that's Chicago Mercantile Exchange is where futures are traded. Okay, so hey, it's been around for a long time. Pretty safe. You know, you can connect it with my broker. It was easy to connect straight to my bank account, make a deposit, real easy breezy cash. All right. So for the market, we're going to look at the MES. That's the initials for the symbol for this MES, micro ES. All right. So that's just the micro S&P 500. And it's a great place to start. You're in the futures market. You know, you can get your feet wet. It's low investment capital to begin. Okay, so that's the first part of our path. So the first part of our path is to get into the futures market, trading micro. Okay, the micro S&P 500, and there's other micros. So you could do micro Bitcoin, you could do micro Nasdaq, you could do micro Russell. So there's more options also once you get into the micro futures market. Okay, so now that we have the market in place, the next piece to a path to profits is we need a trading strategy, right? If you're brand new, man, let me tell you, if you are brand new to trading and you just found this video right here, what I am about to say, okay, what I am about to give you is life-changing information, okay? When I tell you I searched for years to understand and to get what I'm about to tell you, all right, I'm not exaggerating, all right. It was probably 12 solid years, 12 solid years of losing, 12 solid years of searching, 12 solid years of bad comment trading knowledge, as I call it, you know, because there's plenty of traps out here. Man, for those people who, if you're watching this video, you have no idea how blessed you are to hear what I'm about to drop. Okay. And people who are subscribed to my channel and, you know, been around for a while, this is same old to them. But if you are brand new and just trying to get into trading and haven't picked up any strategies yet, haven't fallen victim to the bad comment trading knowledge yet, this is going to save you so much money and time. Okay, the strategy that you want to use is you want to learn man, I gotta see, how do I want to say it? You want to learn how to read a price chart. Okay, that's what you want to do. You want to learn how to read a price chart without any indicators, maybe one, the 21 EMA. That's it. All you need is the 21 EMA. That's all that you only need. One indicator. If you've been online any amount of time searching, trying to learn, you've probably seen charts with 15 indicators, charts with 25 trend lines, charts that when you look at it, it's very confusing, right? It intimidates you, right? That's because most people are doing it wrong. I'm just gonna put it out there. All you need is a 21 EMA, one indicator, to be able to read a price chart. All right. This style of trading, this strategy is also known as price action. Okay. Price action trading is it's king. I'm trying to tell you, I am putting you on the path to profits right now. Okay. This information, if I had to learn price action right out the gate, I really don't even want to imagine where I would be right now. Like in my first year of trading, right? If I had to learn price action in my first year instead of my 13th year, I can't even imagine where I would be. Probably on an island somewhere, on a beach somewhere. I don't know. 12. If I had been doing price action for 15 solid years, I've been doing this 15 years. If I had price action all 15 years, or 14 of the 15 years, I can't even imagine where I would be. That's why I'm taking so much time here to go in to tell you that if you're brand new, man, you picked the right video today, because price action trading is king. Here's why. Price action is natural, okay? Price action, you learn certain patterns that just appear every day, all right? The market moves in a certain way, and it's due to the market participants, it's due to how big banks put in orders, it's due to, it's nothing mystical, all right? It just happens because banks do certain things, retail traders do certain things, human psychology, the market is real people. I mean, I know you just see all these bars and graphs and but it's real people making trading decisions. It's real people either buying or selling. Okay. So the market is not mystical. It's real people doing what they do every day, having human tendencies. Okay. And it causes the market to move in a certain pattern. I call it the market cycle. Okay. The market moves, you'll get a trend break, retest a new high. Probably going a little range, and then you'll come down. Trend break, retest a new low. That's the market cycle. The market does this all the time. It also likes to move in twos, okay? When you get a trend up, trend break, retest, that's a two-legged move up, all right? And a lot of times you'll get a trend up, two legs back, and then another leg up, which sets up a second entry long, okay? So I'm actually teaching price action right now. The second entry long and the second entry short is just a natural pattern that happens every day in the markets. All right. And then people who on this channel, you already know what I'm gonna say. After you get a second entry long, start looking for a higher low. It comes right behind it. After you get a second entry short, start looking for a lower high. It comes right behind it. These are just patterns. Okay. These are, I really say setups. These are setups that happen in the market each and every day, no matter what you're trading. I can show it to you in the binary options market. Matter of fact, later I will. If you watch the trade example at the end, I'm gonna show you a binary option setup and a future setup, all higher lows. It doesn't matter the market. It happens in the Forex, it happens in stocks, it happens in futures, it happens in binary options. This is why price action is king, because when you learn how to read a price chart, you're able to go into any market. All right. You can trade up downs on crypto.com. You can trade event contracts with, what are their names? I forgot. Tradeovate, something like that. There's just the whole financial market is open to you. There's nowhere you can go anywhere and make money. Okay. So I put you up on this futures market, but the price action profit path you take anywhere. This is why the strategy is to learn how to read a price chart, because that's what it is. I mean, we call it price action trading. I call it price action trading, but truly what you're doing is you're developing the skill to be able to read a price chart. That's what separates price action trading from everything else you're going to find on the internet. You know, you can keep searching if you want to, but I'm trying to tell you right now, you found the answer. The answer is to gain the ability to read a price chart. Okay. And it's not hard. It's much easier when you take off all the stuff, all the bad common trade analysis out here, trade with one indicator, the 21 EMA. All you have to do is put the 21 EMA on the chart, take a screenshot of that chart, right? And once you learn how to count legs and how to look for a second entry, how to look for the second leg of correction, after you learn those basics, you just practice. You just mark up screenshots, look for every second entry you can find, look for every lower high you can find, look for every higher low you can find, look for every rally-based rally you can find, look for every drop-based drop you can find. And what will happen is, as you're practicing on steel charts, when you get into the live markets, then you'll be able to see those patterns coming way ahead of time. See the difference in that? You're not, see, indicators lag behind. So when you're using indicators, they normally gonna put you in late, all right? But when you're a price action trader and you know how the patterns look and you know what normally comes next, you can look way ahead and be like, oh, If this candle breaks higher, that's going to be a second entry long. And you take the trade because you knew it was coming. You become like a price action profit. All right. You want to become a price action profit. You know, you want to become a price chart profit. That's kind of how you feel, because you be like, I knew that was going to happen because I saw the pattern, because I've practiced enough to know that when I see this candle break higher after making a low and then another higher low, and I get a huge signal candle up, closes on its top, I know it's go time. Okay. That's what you get by learning price action. All right. So price action trading, people, that is a key to put you on the path to profits. All right. Now, the next thing you just need to do is get a demo account. All right. Please start on demo. Please start on paper trading. Listen, again, there's people I've been out here 15 years. There's people been out here 30 years. The market feeds on new traders who are in the market when they shouldn't be yet. All right. Do not be a donor. We call them donors. Okay. Do not be a market donor. All right. The market feeds on donors. Okay. All these brokers who just, trying to give you deals to join their brokerage company, trying to get you to jump in quick. Everybody's sending copy trades, sending out Telegram signals. All this stuff is designed to get the new trader to start trading before you're ready. Okay. You put your money in, you're just donating money to seasoned, veteran, skilled traders. Okay. Don't do it. Start on demo, start learning price action, start taking second entries. And here's the other part of why second entries work so well in the futures market. Again, 1 point is $5. Okay. If later you'll see how far you got to go for 1.1 to get 1 point. Is like no distance at all. Like you don't have to hardly go anywhere to make 1 point. Okay. So you can make 1 point in the futures market. I'm not gonna say easy, because I don't want you to think the trading is easy, but the distance that you have to go to achieve a 1 point win, which is a scalper's profit in the futures, is nothing. Okay. So when you really learn how to take second entries with perfect signal candles, when you really learn how to take higher lows with perfect signal candles, you can get that 1 point real easy. So on demo, just practice getting 2 points a day, right? Taking 2 trades, getting your 2 point net wins a day. Hey, I know it's only $10. Okay. I understand that, but you're just practicing, right? You're just getting your skill up. It's not about trying to make money to toss out getting rich. Okay. Forget getting rich. Forget making $10,000 a day like you see on all these videos. Scratch all that. Let's be realistic here, okay? Let's learn how to trade, people, all right? The path to profits is not a fast-paced situation. It is not a sprint. It is a marathon, okay? And if you get out here and you go live too soon and you put your hard-earned money in there, you're just going to be donating it to better traders, okay? But get on demo. Learn how to hit your 2 net wins every day. Once you can do that, now you can go to the MES, the micros. You can throw $300 in there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, throw 500 in there. You probably can lose 500 and you're not going to get kicked out of your place, right? So be smart about it. Understand that this is a business, right? When you're going to open a business, you need to check out the scenery, right? You don't just open a business anywhere. You know what I'm saying? This is a business, all right? Go about it like a business. This is a plan, all right? So you've been to demo, you've learned price action, you're winning. Great. Now we can go, now it's game time. You get into the micros, you're still hitting your 2 net wins. Boom, perfect. So here's the plan. Now that you're winning consistently, now that you can get 2 points every day consistently, guess what you can do? You don't need to take more trades to grow your business, to scale your business. You don't have to do that at all. This is why I put you on futures. All you have to do is add a contract. All right. So now 1 point is $10. All right. And you're still just taking 2 trades. You're still scalping your 1 out. You're making $10. Guess what? You don't have to take more trades. All you have to do is buy a couple more contracts. All right. So you started 1 contract. you know, get your feet wet. You still winning consistently. Hey, you're up to 2 contracts. You're blinking your eyes. Next thing you know, you're at 5. You blink again. A couple months go by. Next thing you're up to 10. You blink. Your account is growing. Next thing you're up to 20 contracts. See what I'm saying? We can scale up safely. You don't have to rush it. You know what I'm saying? Scale up you scale up by your experience level, by your performance level, right? If you're running off 20 wins in a row, if you're running off 30 wins in a row, which is possible in the futures market, then you just add more contracts. Now you've safely grown your business. Now you're safely, you know what I'm saying, increasing on the sudden. Then one day you look up and say, you know what? I got this thing down. I'm very confident. My numbers show that I'm a profitable trader. My numbers show that I'm a disciplined trader. The numbers don't lie. Now it's time to go to the E-mini. Boom, just like that. Now you're on the E-mini, and 1 point is $50. So now you're getting your 2 net wins and you're making $100. Now you're to the point where, hey, I can go 5 contracts on the E-mini. Now you're grabbing 250 1 point. Now you're grabbing 500 1 point. You see what I'm saying? And you keep just growing. This is what's so wonderful about the futures market. You just, as your account grows, as your experience grows, as your performance continues to be great, you just continue to scale up to the point where you're doing 20 contracts on an E-mini and you're making $1,500 on 1 point in like 10 seconds. Okay. But you don't try to start there. All right. I just wanted to show you a whole path to profits that you can get there safely. All right. This is a safe way to get there, but just take your time. Let's not rush it. There's no reason to rush it. Right. I mean, all you want to do is get in the game, get the right information, which you received today. Price action trading is the ticket. Price action brings profits. I'll say that one again. Ooh, price action brings profits. Your ability to read a price chart brings profits, right? And a good market to get started in is the futures market. All right. So, hey, that's the path to profits. I hope I enlightened you. I hope that, again, if you're brand new to trading, I'm trying to tell you, I just saved you so much. I just saved you tears. If you take my advice and learn how to read a price chart, learn price action trading, I just saved you tears. I just saved you years. I just saved you flat out cash, baby. All right. So I'm trying to tell you, price action. Learn how to read a price chart. All right. Get the spend some money on your education. Read some price action books. Get a price action course. Follow a price action group. Find your way to something that has price action on it. I'm trying to tell you, that is the key. All right. All right. I have some resources. I'll put them down in the description of this video. If you're brand new, take a look at what we have to offer. We teach price action trading on this channel because it is king. It will help you. Okay. It will help you on this path to profits. All right. So this is a great time to like, share, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you. All right. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to show you a little clip of some price action trading and how it can be used in multiple markets. All right. So I had a weird thing going on. It was a couple trades, opportunities going on. So I took a trade in binary options market and I took a trade in the futures market, and they were going at the same exact time. All right. And they were both price action entry. You will see that the charts look pretty similar. There's nothing on it but a 21 EMA. All you need is a 21 EMA. All right. So before you go, check out that little trade example, and hey, I will catch you on the next video. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the sudden. Bye-bye. So on the left, we are in the binary options market. On the right, we are in the futures market. In futures trade, we've already moved into a tick, so that's a win. So we're trying to see if we can get a win also to the left here in the binary options market. So double duty going on here. Let's see what happens. Both were basically higher low entries. So great, that's great. So that's 2 wins over in the binary options market, and our micro ES trade is up 8 points right now. So I'm just gonna lock in a point here. 32. All right, so we got a point locked in. Oh, did I leave you hanging? We'll come back Friday. Not just playing. We got knocked out. We only made a point on that one, but hey, that's trading. Hey, like, subscribe if you're feeling what I'm putting down out here. All right, I greatly appreciate you. My name is JD, and as always, I wish you increase on the Sutton.